A subsonic flight has actual inlet pressure recovery of 0.975. Estimate the thrust loss by this subsonic engine. A 3.37, B 56, C 2.5, D 11.22. The correct answer is 3.37. Engine manufacturer has provided the reference value of inlet pressure recovery as 0.94. If actual pressure recovery is found to be 0.91, then find the thrust loss. Consider C of 1.25. A 0.0375. B 0.123. C 0.0865. D 0.568. The correct answer is 0.0375. An engine has mass flow of 16 unit and bleed mass flow of 0.32 unit. Find the thrust loss due to the bleed air. A 4. B 6.98. C 100.78. D 21. The correct answer is 4. A manufacturer's uninstalled engine is required to operate at 1.8 m. Find the reference pressure recovery based on military standard. A 94.45. B 12.56. C 45.97. D 100. The correct answer is 94.45. A supersonic aircraft is designed to operate at 2.0 m. If thrust loss is required to be less than 2, then determine the reference value of inlet pressure recovery. Given ram recovery correction factor C is 1.2. A 95. B 99. C 102. D 70. The correct answer is 95. If manufacturer's thrust loss requirement is 3 and engine has mass flow of 20 unit, then determine how much bleed mass flow can be used. A 0.3 unit. B 0.4 unit. C 0.8 unit. D 0.9835 unit. The correct answer is 0.3 unit. What do you mean by installed engine thrust? A. Actual thrust produced by an engine when installed. B. Actual thrust when not installed. C. Lifting property. D. Installed wing lift. The correct answer is actual thrust produced by an engine when installed. The installed net propulsive force is defined as A. Installed engine thrust minus the drag due to inlet nozzle and throttle dependent trim drag. B. Uninstalled thrust plus drag due to inlet and nozzle. C. Installed lift by drag. D. Installer wing loading. The correct answer is installed engine thrust minus the drag due to inlet nozzle and throttle dependent trim drag. The actual available thrust used in performance calculations is termed as A. Installed net propulsive force. B. Lift to drag ratio. C. Installed weight to reference area. D. Gross lift and weight. The correct answer is installed net propulsive force. Fudge factor is used to obtain A. Manufacturer's uninstalled engine thrust. B. Thrust loading and wing loading. C. Lofting. D. Lift to drag ratio. The correct answer is manufacturer's uninstalled engine thrust. Nozzle drag varies with A. Position of nozzle flight conditions etc. B. Only nozzle flight conduit. C. Only with nozzle type. D. Only with nozzle pressure at combustion chamber. The correct answer is position of nozzle flight conditions etc.